Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today we will solve new syllabus mathematics D2 chapter number 3 in exercise 3A. Name of chapter is set. Today we will solve question number 1 to 4. In question number 1, given that B is the set of odd positive integers less than 11. List all the elements of B in set notation. First part, list all the elements of B in set notation. And given statement is that B is the set of odd positive integers less than 11. So we have B equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the odd positive integers less than 11. In B part, state whether each of the following statement. In first statement, given that 1 belong to B and 4 belong to not belong to B, 0 belong to B or 11 not belong to B. We can state that true or false. First of all, we can see that 1 belong to B, so first statement is true. So A part is true, 1 belong to B. In second part, we can see that 4 does not belong to B. This statement is also true, 4 is not belong to B. So B part is also true, 4 is not belong to B. In C part, 0 belong to B. Here 0 does not belong to B, so this statement is false. So C part is false. In D part, 11 does not belong to B. Here we can see that 11 does not belong to B, so this statement is true. Now, in question number 2, state the number of elements in each of the following sets. Here, some sets are given. We can only tell the numbers of elements. So, in first part, we can see that month in a year. So, number of month in a year, the answer is 12. In second part, odd number between 10 to 26. We can count the odd number between 10 to 26. So 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23 and 25. These are 8 numbers. So total number of element is 8. In C part, people in your class who are taller than you. So you can write the answer according to your class. And in D part, color in your school flag. This answer is also according to your school flag or class. Now in E part, color of rainbow. Here we have 7 colors in rainbow, so the answer of E part is 7. In question number 2, F part, horoscope sign. These are the stars. So 12 months, these are 12 stars. So this answer is 12. So the answer of F part is 12. Now in question number 3, list all the number of elements in each of the following sets in set notation. Here we can give the answer in set notation. So first part A. A part is given that x such that x belong to the positive integers between 1 and 10. We write the positive integers between 1 and 10. So the answer of A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the positive integers between 1 to 10. Now in second part, B part, B is equal to x such that x is a negative integer between -10 and -1 or inclusive. First of all, we can see that every negative number is greater than the first number. For example, -10 is a smaller number as compared to -9. Similarly, -9 is smaller than as compared to -8. Similarly, and so on. So we start the numbers from -10. So B is equal to -10, -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2 and -1. We can also write -10 and -1 because these number are inclusive. In next part, C part, x such that x is a positive integer such that 2 is less than x and x is less than 12. Or in other words, we can read that x is greater than -2 and less than equal to 12. So we write the numbers. These have positive even integers. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. 12 because less than and equal to. In next part, D part, set of vowels in the word of happy. So we write the vowels here. Vowel words are A, E, I, O, U. So in this happy word, only one vowel A. So the answer of D part is A. Now in question number 4. List the element of the following set. In A part, vowel in the word mathematics. Here, same question again, vowel words to find that. First of all, known about the vowel words, these are A, E, I, O, U. So, in the word mathematics, we can write the only vowel words. These words are A, E, I. Now in B part, the seven color of the rainbow. We can write in the set notation seven color of rainbow. These are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and volatile. These are the seven colors in a rainbow. In C part, multiples of 9 which are less than 50. So we write the multiple of 9. This means that table of 9 and less than 50. So we have write the numbers 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. In next part, last part, color in your school flag. Color in your school flag. Answer is according to your school flag. So in E part, even number which are between 10 and 23. So we write the even number between 10 and 23. We have 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and 22. Because we write the number between 10 and 22, so 10 is not inclusive. We write the after the 10, so we have 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and 22. In next video with next lesson, best of luck.